Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to Andrew KB Joliverpro for suggesting this video, and because they suggested if I made like a worker mute and unmute button for your music player for your game on Roblox. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Legend Gamer here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a music player for your game on Roblox. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to insert a screen GUI inside the start GUI, and then you can just name this music player. We can name it whatever you like. And I'm going to add a text label, and this is going to show me which song is currently playing. So I'm just going to name this song title like this, and I'm just going to position it on the screen. So I'm going to use my plugin, which lets me do that. So it puts it in the same position on every device. So position UI like this, and I don't want it touching the side. I want it off a little bit, so I'm just going to position it like this. Yeah, it looks fine. And I'm going to use the Roundify plugin to make it round like this. So now I'm just going to duplicate this, and then this is going to be my mute button. It's a text label, so I'm going to use that UI design plugin, which can convert it into a text button like this. And I'm going to position it further down, maybe about 0.7. That's 6. Yep, that's fine. And I'm going to duplicate it again. It's going to be my skip button. So this is the button that players are going to click on, and it's going to skip the song. Just going to position it down a bit further, like this. And then I'm going to go into the text, make it so it's as big as it can be. I'm going to change the text to skip. I'm going to do the same for this. Mute. I'm going to say toggle mute. Toggle mute, and then song title. Oops. And you don't need to change this one because we've got updated in the script. Alright, so the next thing that you need to do is you need to insert a sound. Yep, and just you can rename it if you like, but you don't have to. Now I just need to insert a local script. Alright, so it's going to be a time lapse, so make sure you copy everything that I type. Make sure you get all the capitalization correct, so it definitely works. So let's get started the time lapse. Right guys, so inside of this array we're going to add all the song IDs that we're going to play in the game. So I've got some song IDs with me here, so I'm just going to paste these in. You can add as many as you like, you just need to add a semicolon or a comma after them, like this, and just make sure you don't forget the semicolon. Alright, so these are just the two that I want, so I'm just going to carry on with the time lapse, so you can add as many as you like. Alright, so let's carry on. Alright, so this is this script done now. So at the bottom I said repeat wait 1 second. So it waits 1 second, then it'll check if the is equal to false every 1 second. So you can have this a high number if you like, because you don't want the script to keep on running every 1 second, because this might cause more lag in your game. So it's best if you have like a delay in between. So you can just have it like this, which will just wait like a millisecond, then it'll repeat this again. But I'm waiting 1 second in between because I don't want too much lag in my game. So this is the script done now. So if I go into a game right now, yep, and as you can see the music has started to play and it's told me what the sound is called, and I can mute it if I like. Yeah, it's muted. And it's continue playing when I press it again. Now if I press the skip button, yeah, it skipped the song. If I press skip again, it'll go back to the other one. How cool is that? Alright, so again, another shout out to Andrew KB Joliverpro for suggesting this video. Also make sure you leave video suggestions for a shout out in one of my videos. So yeah, if you did learn something from this video and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell so then you'll be notified when another video comes out. So this is going to be it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.